Hi my friends, welcome to today's Crazy Crafters, where we get together and we get crazy about crafts. So today I have something very special to show you. How many of you have ever seen one of these before, flying in the sky on a summer breeze with all the beautiful colors? Anybody know what this is? If you guessed a hot air balloon, you're absolutely right. So today, crafters, we are going to get ready to make our own hot air balloon, our 3D hot air balloon. It's very, very simple to make. So if you're ready, let's get started. So for those of you that have come to the library and have received one of your Crazy Crafter bags, you can go ahead and get it right now. For those of you that do not have a bag, do not worry, my friends, because you can find all these things at home. So the first thing that we're going to take out of our bag is you have 5 sheets of different colors of construction paper, a toilet paper roll, cupcake holder, and a hot air balloon template that we're going to use today to make our balloon. So first thing I want you to do, my friends, for those of you that have the construction paper, you're going to take a pencil or marker and you're going to make a stencil of your balloon. Now, here's the fun part. This is trick of the trade, my friends. Take all 5 of your sheets of paper. So take all 5 of your sheets of paper, put them all together, stack them like that, all right? A nice thing to do if you want, you can put like a paper clip on it to keep it all together. Put your template on the pile, and you're gonna make a drawing of your template. You should be able to actually make 4 different balloons out of one of your packets, all right? For those of you that do not have the template, my friends, do not worry about it. Take a paper plate. On the paper plate, you can go ahead and you can draw the balloon. And it's just like the shape of a balloon. Think about it. If you put this upside down, right? Wouldn't that look like a balloon that you blow up? Yeah, so it's kind of a balloon upside down. So you can go ahead, if you don't have the bag with you, and make a shape. Once you have that shape, my friends at home, you can go ahead and you can take some construction paper, any colors that you want. Just make sure that you have 5, all right? 5 of them. So what you're gonna do is once you cut them out, all right, you're gonna have your template that you cut out, but look what you have underneath. Look at that, my friends. Yep, you have all your colors right there. All of them. So you have all 5 colors up at once. All right, so take that, put it in front of you. Now comes the fun part. So what I want you to do is I want you to take one of your colors, just one, and my friends, you're gonna fold it in half. Just like this. See how I did that? You can kind of see the crease in the middle. All right, so take it and fold it just like this. Perfect. I want you to do that with all 5 of your balloons that you made. So all 5 of them. So at the end, you're gonna have all 5 colors, okay? All 5 colors folded in half. So easy. Kind of looks like a little taco, doesn't it? It does. So once you have that, you're going to take your 5 pieces of colors, put them in front of you. What I want you to do, my friends, is take a glue stick, because that's all you're going to need for this project, is your glue stick. Find one of your sides. You could use your liquid glue if you want, but a glue stick works out pretty good. And I want you to take this and I want you to glue back and forth the whole side, just like that. Just one side, not both of them, okay? Just one side, one fold. When you have that fold and you have the glue on it, then I want you to take your next one. You want to keep it facing the same way. See how I did that? They're both facing the same way. Then you're going to take your side, you're gonna line it up, all right, just like that. See how I did that? So one side looks like this, the other side looks like that. You've glued the two sides together, and now take your fingers and just kind of smush it over there together. There you go, just kind of go back and forth. There. Do you see how you're starting to make the balloon? See how you did that? So you just line up those two sides. Here, I'll show you again. Take a side, take the other one, make them go the same way. Take the two sides, separate it, glue just one side. What are you gonna do, my friends? Take it and glue it. So when you're done, see that? All of them are glued together. That's gonna give you your balloon, your hot air balloon. See how that is? All the way around, just like that. All right, once you have that, now comes the fun part. You're gonna take your toilet paper roll, and again, those of you at home, if you didn't have a bag, take a toilet paper roll. Now, my friends, for this, you have to be careful. So if you want, maybe you're gonna have an adult do it. Find the middle of the toilet paper. All right, the roll. I want you to take your thumb, give me a thumbs up. All right, take your thumb, put it on the side, take your finger, put it on the other side. All right, I want you to squeeze it nice and hard. When you have that, take your scissor and you're gonna cut right across. So there's gonna be a little slice in there. See that? There's that little slice in there. See how Miss Mariann did that? So if it has a line, like this particular roll has a line, you can follow it. Stick, and again, my friends, be careful with your scissor. So you wanna take it, go around, go around, go around. Find that little hole that you made. See, stick your scissor in there. See how I did it? You can kind of see it this way. See how I got the scissor? And then just follow it all the way around. So you're gonna cut it all the way around, like this. There. So when you have it, when you're all set, it's gonna look like this. So what we're making now is we're gonna start to make the little basket. So see the little green? We're gonna start making the little basket. So that's gonna be the basket. So what you can do, you can take some of the scrap pieces of paper from when you took your template or when you made your little squares or your little circles, you take it and just wrap it around. Here's the fun part about it, my friends. There's a little bit at the top. All you have to do is squeeze it. See how Miss Mariann is doing that? Just squeeze it all the way around, a little bit of glue. And there you have it. There's your basket. So that is the basket. Take a hole punch. You may want to, again, ask an adult to do it. You're going to take it and you're going to squeeze your hole punch and you're going to make 4 holes all the way around. So now, see the holes in there? See the little hole my finger is? You're gonna make 4. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and 4, all the way around. In your kit, my friends, you have twine that looks like rope. But I have yarn, so I could show you a little bit better how to put this together. So once you have your holes, then you're going to take your twine and you are going to make a little knot at the end. Now, if you can see what I did, I left a little bit at the end to make it look like a rope, because in a hot air balloon, sometimes you can see the rope on there. So that's how I did it. So you're going to take your twine and just make a little knot at the bottom, just like that. So then you're going to have your strings hanging. You can leave it like that for a minute. You're going to take your basket that has the holes in it, and has the string. Take your cupcake holder. You see over here, you can see sort of my finger behind there. See the blue? Take it, put glue all the way around it. Okay, all the way around the middle. And stick that right in there like that. See that? Right? So you're gonna stick it right in there. Make sure it's nice and sticky. So now your basket has a little basket for people to stand. People can stand in there. To make your pieces of twine or yarn to stick inside, very, very simple, my friends. The best way that I found to do this, the easiest way that I found to do it, is take your twine, take a little bit of glue, all right? So if you can see where my finger is? See, I have the yarn so you could see it. I just glued it right in there. You can take, if you have double-sided tape, you can tape it in there. Just kind of tape it. I'll show you over here. See that blue? So for you, that's the twine, but I put it so you could see it. So you just take it, you just follow your twine, put it in there, and then you take it and you squeeze it. You just squeeze the bottom all together. Squeeze it as hard as you can. If you're using your liquid glue, just take it, and what I did is you could like just say your ABCs. That'll give you enough time. So just kind of stick it in there like that. All right? So once you have it, and again, there's where it is. You want to take it and squeeze it. Squeeze it all together like this. And see what's going to happen? It's going to stick just like that. How cool is that? And then, if this part over here, if you want, you can take a piece of yarn. If you have some of your twine, you can take your twine. I did the same thing, my friends. I just put right in the middle, see right at the top, where it all comes together. And again, you're gonna have your twine. I have the yarn so I could show you. It goes right in there, just like that. Just kind of stick it right in there. Again, take it, squeeze it together like that, and it will come out with a beautiful hot air balloon. If you have extra little pieces, like we wrapped around the little toilet paper thing, you could decorate it with extra pieces. You can decorate this part if you have little stickers. If you see a real hot air balloon up in the sky, it's always beautiful. It's always decorated. It colors the summer sky. So you can do that. You can do anything you want. You can make it your special one. You could take maybe a picture. If you have a picture, you can make a print of like a picture of yourself, a little mini picture. Put yourself in there, maybe your best friend. I would love to see what kind of balloons, my friends, that you come up with. So if you want, if it's okay with your parents, please send me an email to the library. I would love to see. Some of you had beautiful ones from Art Lab last week with the butterflies, and you sent them to me, and it was beautiful. So we hope to maybe put it on Facebook. So I would love to see it. Some other things that are coming up, if you enjoy Crazy Crafters, please come join me again, because there's some other things coming up. August 5th, we have a family book club. So we can read a book. You can download it from our Overdrive, read it. It's called Something Very Mysterious, which is a really fun, it's gonna be a mystery. And then we get together over Zoom and we talk about it. Another thing that I think is gonna be really fun, that if you like to do crafts, and if you like to do coffee filters, my friends, it's not just a coffee filter. That's right, we're gonna make butterflies and flowers and monsters, all out of coffee filters. So that, my friends, let me see, that actually is on August 10th. We have the Family Book Club on August 5th, but there's so many other programs, so please visit us on our events page at www.mchenrylibrary.org. You can call us, you can give us a chat, come in, pick up a kit if you like, and again, like I showed you today, my friends, if you don't get a chance to pick up a kit and you want to do it at home, there's always things that I always make sure that you're able to do it at home. So thank you so much for enjoying me. Come again to our Crazy Crafters, where we're going to do some more crazy crafts in the months to come. Thank you for joining me today, my friends. Stay happy, stay safe, and have a wonderful summer. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.